Here we are, and we're going to draw the carcass to the table. So with Fusion 360, the first thing we need to do is to save. So when we do this, we're going to save this as design 2. Obviously, you can call it whatever you'd like to call it. Design 2. So to do this, every time we draw, we want to look at creating a new component. So you click on Create, New Component, and you can pin to Toolbar. So I've done that, which is why I can just click that. Component 1 is going to be the base of carcass. Base of car for me. Okay, so here we are. I'm going to start sketching, and I'm going to draw this in that front view. So the size of the base of my carcass is going to be, start at the datum, draw myself a rectangle. It's going to be 450 wide by 19, make it 18 high. Finish sketch. Look at it in that isometric view by pressing the picture of the house, and we're going to extrude this 400. Now when we actually make this, it's going to be 3 bits of timber laminated together, but I don't need to show that right now in my Fusion drawing. Once I've drawn that base of my carcass, I want to draw the top of my carcass, so I can look at creating an offset plane. So construct an offset plane. I'll select that face, and I want to make that 290 high, 280. We'll try 280. So 280, enter. I'm now going to go to Create and click on Mirror, and you can go on the 3 dots, make sure it says Pin to Toolbar. So there's my mirror. Now make sure it says Component. I'm going to select the object, and now I'm going to select my mirror. Then if I press the picture of the house, I can now see the top and the bottom, and over here I've got the base. Double click on the base, and I can now make it the top of my carcass, and I need to call it a mirror. Enter. I go right up to the top, press that dot, and I can zoom out a bit. I can now see the top and the bottom of my carcass. If I go to the inspect tool, I go from the bottom of that to the bottom of that. It's 596. It's about what I was after. I want it to be 600, so what I might even do is grab that, click on that, and say go 4 mil higher. So now if I go to inspect, top corner to the bottom corner, that's now 600 mil apart from each other, and I've now drawn the top and the bottom of my carcass.